My name's Chad and welcome to Blue Collar Guitar. Please hit the subscribe button and notification bell. Click on the link below to join my email list and get yourself a free ebook. Okay, so the question is, should I be in the band? The answer is yes, absolutely, as soon as possible. Any project you can get into, whether it's just with one guy or other guys at your level, maybe a little bit higher than you, that's fine too, and you will have the time of your life. So, why be in a band? Why do you want to even be in a band? You'll meet other musicians. You'll learn how your instrument fits in a band situation. You will learn about volume. It's not all about you. You're not always going to be the highest volume. You'll learn about lighting and stage presence and dealing with sound guys and dealing with bar owners and dealing with crowd and dealing with drunk idiots at the end of the night. You're going to learn all those things and all of its amazing experiences. And yeah, it's a lot of fun. I've been playing guitar for 30 years. I've been in a ton of projects and a ton of bands. And I've been in studio work. But by far my favorite is being in a live band and playing all night long. So in this video series, we're going to go over all the different aspects of what it means to be in a band from beginner to expert. So please watch for other videos. Also, as a guitarist, I taught myself by ear how to play. It turns out it's one of the best techniques you can possibly learn for playing in band situations. I am offering a course on exactly how to do it. It's not that hard. You will have to know your basic guitar techniques. So if you're a beginner guitar player and you don't know the basics, I'm also offering a beginner guitar course, a no-nonsense beginner guitar course, where I'll teach you everything you need to learn. Guitar does not need to be hard. It really doesn't. I know at first it's definitely challenging because your fingers aren't used to bending in certain ways. We'll go through all that. I'm going to cut all the corners, all the nonsense. It doesn't have to be decades long to get good on guitar at all. I will show you the techniques that I use, that I learned all on my own. Save you so much time. By the end of it all, any song you hear, 98% of them you'll be able to play very, very quickly, very, very easily, especially if you also get my Learn How to Play by Ear course. Alright, have a good day. Thank you for watching. Watch for other videos. Subscribe.